Hey guys, one of the first things we do to prep a lawn to get ready for new sod is we kill out all of your existing turf variety. So he had Bermuda grass here, he's getting ready to put in a Zoysia, and so we don't want this old Bermuda coming back in. So what we're gonna do is we smoke it. We put 2 applications of Roundup down to kill out this existing turf, and then we skin all that stuff, get all that stuff out of here, prep the lawn by leveling it, using the sod cutters, the tillers, all that sort of, those machinery, the pickaxes, the shovels, the labor, the hard work, and bring in some new topsoil, and then we can put our new grass. But the first step is putting out the Roundup and killing out the existing turf, and that is kind of an essential thing to make sure you got the best lawn on the block. So there you go, guys. Now it's been a full day with 7 guys rocking and rolling. We came in here and took off. I'm gonna take a peek over this trailer, see how many pounds we got here. That's about 12,000 pounds of debris out of here. We added 7 yards. 7 yards is topsoil, and re-leveled this thing, and it's going to be just amazing once we put the green coating on it with some Zoysia tomorrow. But what a hard process. So I know it doesn't look like much right now, but I promise you this is a stellar lawn just waiting to happen. So we'll check back in once we turn it green. July, and while some of you are out there drinking margaritas, having your awesome summertime, we are here about to rock and roll with some new grass, baby. It's early morning. The crew's about to show up. It's laying grass day. We're about to put down this Zoysia. We'll check in with you here in a little while to show you the awesomeness. But Zoysia, it's a good, awesome grass. We're fans. You should be too. All right, guys, this is the after video of this job, and it's been about 30 days since we put this down, and it's been watered nice. And what is this? We are August like 14th or something like that. And it's still looking awesome. So a lot of people are scared to put down grass when it's nice and hot. So today it's gonna be 107 degrees today, but this lawn came in great. It's looking awesome. It's pillowy. It's about 4 inches tall, and they just mowed it for the first time. And I guess it was about 5 inches tall before they finally mowed it. But it looks just phenomenal. It's with retaining moisture, looking good, has a nice, beautiful green color to it. There's a couple squares every once in a while that look like they didn't make it, and we'll replace those here next week after it's not 107 degrees. But the lawn came in great, looks awesome, and the neighbors are just loving it. So, of course, so is our client. Anyway, Zoysia.